Tommy, man, that cycle's back!
At last, man. Time for a well-earned drink.
Are you betting it's just 100 yards down the road, then?
Better make it a large one, then.
Hey, Tommy, change the tunes, man.
I get all confused if my head's not banging.
Oh, look! What's this? Hey, Tommy, stick this tape on.
Look, Fist, your time polluting the airwaves is over. I gave you the chance to be friends.
Tommy, pal, you've got to save the band!
I'm getting bored of this. Just keep the pedal to the metal.
You've got to find a bomb!
Can't we just drive around all day?
I would get plenty to drink.
The bomb may be in the engine. We'll hit a stop to get it.
We're all going to die. I'm going to get pissed.
Hey, there's a few here, pal.
Hey, mate, Ansel's near the drinks cabinet.
Get him away.
Hey, the vodka bottle's got wires coming out of it.
That's no vodka. That's boomshine.
Hey, why up the block?
You always said the drink would kill me.
I've seen this on the telly. You gotta pull out one of the wires.
Which wire?
Don't know, man. I don't have a clue.
Willie, see something.
I'm gonna play bass in hell.
Tommy, man, keep driving fast, pal!
Somebody do something.
Aye, clever. Somebody do something? What kind of crap is that? I've seen braver crimes.
Okay, tough guy, you do something!
Look, mate, I play a musical instrument. Have I a clue about bomb disposal?
Well, he could just suck the boomshine out with a straw.
I have heard that you're good at that kind of thing.
Hey, I was off my tits that night as well, you know.
Just pass Willie a straw.
I am straw. This is a Lopez tour bus. Oh my god, get a straw, mate. Get by me.
Which wire, Tommy?
The green one.
There isn't a green one! Oh, is this a green one?
Any of these wires look green to you?
Oh, net death in the car. Darling, look, it's green.
I should have dumped you lot when I had the chance, man.
Glory seeker.
Capitalist.
I've been carrying you for years.
Shut up, you muppet.
Big screaming girl.
Aye.
Shut it and pull a wire.
Which wire?
This one.
No.
Man, we're okay. We ain't been blowing up. Tommy, man, nice one. Rock and roll, man.
And we got a gig to go to. A racket to make. Groupies to abuse.
Oh, fist. Oh, fist. Oh, fist.
Have you finished with that ball?
Get a feel for the love face, beauty.
Listen to yourself, man. It's paper mache and gaffer tape.
Hey, to the kids, it's a temple, and we are the priests.
Aye, well, if the kids like their priests half cut and bone dead, who am I to argue?
What? Dude's getting chewed up again? This rate we'll never get a play alive.
Oh, shite! My barrels!
Right, we gotta get on with it, so thanks again, Tommy. Give MC a nice one. Bye.
Get off me!